I talked to a mechanic who's been working on Rams for 36 years, and he told me something incredible. If you own a Ram from these 3 specific years, you hit the jackpot. These trucks are so good that owners never sell them. Subscribe now because you're going to discover if you're one of the lucky ones. 36 years working on Rams. He knows every year, every problem, every perfect truck. These 3 years. Absolute jackpot. If you have one, you know. First jackpot. 2006 Ram, 2500 Cummins, 5.9. The mechanic was direct. 2006 5.9? You won the lottery. Last year of the legendary Cummins without emissions complications. 0 DPF. 0 DF. Just pure, indestructible diesel. Owner's report. 500,000, 600,000 miles. Original engine. Original transmission. One owner told me, I bought my 2006 with 80,000 miles. Today it has 520,000. Engine never opened. This is the jackpot. If you have 2006 Cummins, you're lucky. Keep that truck forever. Like if you have one of these jackpots. Second jackpot. 2014 Ram 1500 Hemi 5.7. The mechanic smiled. 2014 Hemi? Total jackpot. Perfect balance between modern technology and proven reliability. 6-speed transmission dialed in. Refined VVD. 0 headaches. Owners tell me 200,000, 300,000 miles. Just regular maintenance. Engine runs like new. My 2014 has 240,000 miles. Perfect. Best truck I've ever had. Jackpot. Have 2014 Hemi? You chose the right year. Keep taking care of it. Third jackpot. 2019 to 2020 Ram 1500 Hemi eTorque. The mechanic got excited. 2019, 2020 eTorque? Modern jackpot. Ram got everything right. Reliable eTorque system. Perfect ZF 8-speed transmission. Technology that actually works. Owner's report. 80,000, 100,000, 120,000 miles. 0 major problems. Modern technology without headaches. I bought my 2020 new. Today it has 95,000 miles. Perfect. I feel like I won the lottery. Have 2019 or 20 eTorque. You have the best of modern technology. These are the 3 jackpots. 2006 Cummins, 2014 Hemi, 2019 to 20 eTorque. 36 years of experience confirms. If you have one of these 3, you hit the jackpot. They're not just good trucks, they're the best years. If you have one, congratulations. You're lucky. Keep it. Worth gold. Looking for Ram? These 3 years are guaranteed winners. You're not gambling. You already won. Which jackpot do you have? Comment below. Subscribe to my Rams Garage to discover more winning years. Next video. Secrets that make these jackpots last forever. Hit like if you discovered you have a jackpot. See you next time.